April 29th, 2024, after 7 a.m., part 2. Alright, where was I? Haven't you read? There are serpents in heaven, they eat grass. It's in fine print. Okay, you say, I'm sorry, equals God is fucking pissed, and no amount of tears will prevail. You stand before him, and you tell God, I stand corrected. Then you go through the river of dross, so he can pluck you out and see how much you are worth from the trinkets of gold you have on you. Tenacious Thorn Leon, April 29th, 2024, Monday morning. All right, now, L.A. Marzulli through the meat grinder. Adam, first position, Son of God, Luke 3:38. Angelic gardener, Son of God, Genesis 2:15. Fallen angelic Nephilim gardener, Son of God, for eating of the forbidden fruit, Genesis 3:6. Cursed to multiply the earth through Nephilim incest and interbreeding, Genesis 3:16. God just put you in the meat grinder, L.A. Marzulli. Let me add, in your meat suit, Tenacious Thorn Leon. And the vision of all has become to you as the words of a book that is sealed. For as much as this people draw near me with their mouth and with their lips to honor me, but have removed their hearts far from me, and their fear towards me is taught by the precept of men. For the wisdom of their wise men shall perish. Yeah, look at you, Mitt Romney, you fake-ass Mormon. Where's your fake-ass bishop? Or prophet, huh? A Mormon prophet doesn't even recognize the tenacious Thorn Leon. That would be me. Who 3 Mormon elders gave record to being a direct descendant of Joseph Smith. Yeah, that was what they said after blessing me to be an elder to go into the Washington Temple to be married. And the cultic Catholic Pope, no visions, no interpretations of the tenacious Thorn Leon coming. Yeah. A Nephilim alien. You know? And there's a cool song by Johnny Cash. God's going to get you. Yeah. I thought I'd try it. You know, there's a storyboard from the movie Rosewood. Yeah. And it's a Nephilim morning now. Getting ready to come to you. Go kiss my Betty Boop. My bedhead morning. Fuck you, demons. You fraudsters.